In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Kernel-Power 41 error. Now, the first thing that we want to do is we want to search for power plan. Go to the power plan in here, then go back to power options, and then you want to select choose what the power buttons do. Then in here you want to change settings, and then you want to turn off fast startup. So just click on it, save changes, and then close it down. Now I'm not going to save it because I already fixed the problem, but if you have the problem you should do this. So turn it off, save changes, and then close it down. Then you want to search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator, and you want to do that twice, so you have two of them. Then in the first one you want to type sfc /scan now and press enter, and this is just going to scan your system. In the second one you want to type chkdsk /f/r. Press enter and then wait for it a little bit. When this pops up right here, it's gonna say that you need to schedule this at another time when the system restarts, and that's what we wanted to do. So we want to press type in Y for yes, and then you want to press enter. Now once you've done that, you want to wait for this to be done. So once you press Y and enter, then you want to wait for that to be done right here. And once this is at 100%, you want to restart your PC. And once it's restarted, it's gonna say that it's gonna count down from 10 seconds. It's gonna say skip this cleaning, press any button, but you don't want to press any button. Okay? So when it's counting down, you don't want to press anything because we don't want to skip the checking. Okay, so that's about it, guys. You want to wait those 10 or 15 seconds for the checking, and once that's done, it's gonna reboot and then it should be fixed. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.